Hello, you lovely people. Welcome back to the channel. Jamie here, and today we're diving into how our muscles get bigger and stronger. We're going to explore the fascinating process of muscle hypertrophy and what it really means for your body. Muscle hypertrophy just means your muscle cells growing in size. It's the scientific term for what we commonly call muscle growth. It's something that happens when you challenge your body, pushing it beyond its current limits. Whether lifting weights, focusing on progressive overload, doing HIIT, which can also stimulate muscle fibers, or even carrying heavy shopping bags, which counts as resistance in your daily life. Building muscle isn't just for bodybuilders, it's beneficial for everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. It boosts your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even when you're at rest. It makes daily life easier, allowing you to perform everyday tasks with greater ease and less strain. And it gives you that awesome sense of progress and accomplishment as you see and feel your body getting stronger. Here's the magic, the fundamental principle behind muscle growth. When you push your muscles, creating tiny tears in the muscle fibers, your body repairs them a bit bigger and stronger than before, a process called muscle protein synthesis. So you're ready for next time, better prepared to handle the same level of stress. This cycle, challenge, repair, and growth, is continuous, leading to long-term muscle development. It relies on both effort and smart recovery, ensuring your body has the resources it needs to rebuild. After a tough workout, when your muscles are fatigued and depleted, rest and good nutrition, especially protein, let your body rebuild those muscle fibers, repairing the damage and initiating growth, making them thicker and more powerful, increasing your overall strength and muscle mass. You need both, the stimulus and the recovery. Push yourself during your workouts, challenging your muscles to adapt, then fuel and rest to let your body do its work, optimizing the muscle building process. In the next sections, we'll break down the three main triggers for muscle growth, the key mechanisms that stimulate hypertrophy: mechanical tension, the force your muscles experience during exercise, muscle damage, the microscopic tears that occur when you push your muscles, and metabolic stress, the buildup of metabolites during intense activity. Let's keep it simple, fun, and focused on what you can actually do to get stronger and build lean muscle. We're here to guide you on your journey to a fitter, healthier you. Let's zoom in. Your muscles are made of thousands of tiny fibers like bundles of ropes. When you move, your brain tells these fibers to contract, creating movement. Inside each fiber are myofibrils, the engines that actually grow bigger when you train. Muscle hypertrophy isn't about making more fibers, but making the ones you have thicker by packing in more myofibrils. During a workout, you challenge these fibers, causing microscopic tears and stress. Don't worry, this is the first step in growth. Your body sends nutrients and repair cells to fix and reinforce the fibers, making them stronger. That post-workout soreness, it's your body rebuilding. Rest and nutrition are crucial. Protein gives your body the building blocks, and sleep gives it time to repair. Without recovery, you're just breaking down muscle without building it back up. Alright, let's dive into the first key player in our muscle building trio, mechanical tension. This is where the rubber meets the road, or rather, where the weight meets the muscle. Mechanical tension refers to the force your muscles experience when you lift, push, or pull against resistance. It's the literal strain and stress placed on the muscle fibers when you're working against a load. Think of it as the primary driver for muscle growth. Think of stretching a rubber band. The further you pull it, the more tension it holds. Similarly, your muscles feel tension when they're stretched and contracted under load. This could be during the lowering, eccentric, or lifting, concentric phase of an exercise. The key is that the muscle fibers are actively resisting a force. This tension signals your muscle cells to get stronger, initiating a cascade of biological processes that lead to muscle hypertrophy or growth. It's the body's way of adapting to the demands placed upon it. Lifting heavier weights over time, also known as progressive overload, is a classic and highly effective way to build muscle. By consistently increasing the weight, you force your muscles to adapt and grow stronger. But it's not just about the weight on the bar. Time under tension matters too. Slower, controlled reps keep muscles working longer, maximizing the time they spend under tension, which also triggers growth. This means focusing on the eccentric, lowering phase of the lift and avoiding momentum. You can create tension with heavy weights for a few reps, focusing on maximal force output. or lighter weights for more reps with slow movement, extending the duration of the tension. Both approaches can be effective depending on your goals and training style. Everyday examples: carrying a heavy suitcase, feeling the strain in your arms and shoulders, or holding a wall sit. Your muscles are under constant tension, even though you're not actively moving. The key: challenge your muscles with enough force to make them work hard and adapt. Whether it's heavy lifting, pushing your limits with each rep, slow reps, maximizing time under tension, or static holds, engaging your muscles in a sustained effort, mechanical tension is your #1 muscle building tool. It's the foundation upon which strength and size are built. Mix up your approach to keep your muscles adapting and prevent plateaus. Vary the weight, reps, and tempo to challenge your muscles in new ways. Remember, it's about quality effort, focusing on proper form and muscle engagement, not just the heaviest weight you can possibly lift. Find your sweet spot between weight and control, where you can feel the muscles working intensely without sacrificing proper technique. That's how you spark real growth and unlock your muscle building potential. Next, muscle damage. Don't panic, it's a good thing. We're talking about tiny, microscopic tears in your muscle fibers from challenging workouts, not injuries. This damage signals your body to repair and reinforce the muscle, making it stronger. You'll often feel this as soreness a day or two after a tough session. Your body's busy rebuilding. Focusing on the lowering eccentric part of exercises like slowly lowering in a squat or push-up is great for creating this effect. Trying new exercises also helps, since your body isn't used to those movement patterns. You don't need to be sore after every workout, but a little tenderness means you've challenged your muscles. Keep your workouts varied and controlled to maximize this growth trigger. Remember, it's all about pushing past your comfort zone. Last up, metabolic stress, the famous burn you feel during high-rep sets or intense circuits. This happens when your muscles work hard for a sustained period, building up byproducts like lactate. The result? That burning sensation and the pump as blood gets trapped in the muscle. This swelling and chemical buildup signal your body to grow stronger. To create metabolic stress, focus on higher reps, 12-20 plus, shorter rest, and techniques like drop sets or supersets. You don't always need heavy weights. Bodyweight circuits can be just as effective. The pump isn't just for show, it's a real growth trigger. Mix in high-volume, high-intensity work for best results. Use metabolic stress alongside tension and damage for a complete approach. Embrace the burn, it means you're getting stronger. Mechanical tension, muscle damage, and metabolic stress. They're a team, not rivals. The best training programs mix all three for maximum muscle growth. Take the barbell squat. Heavy weight creates tension, slow lowering causes damage, and high reps bring the burn. One exercise, all three triggers. If you only lift heavy for low reps, you miss out on the pump, only high reps, and you miss the unique benefits of tension. Mix up your training, some days heavy and slow, others high rep and fast. The most important principle? Progressive overload. Keep making your workouts a bit harder over time. That could mean more weight, more reps, less rest, or better form. Progress isn't just about the numbers, it's about challenging your muscles in new ways. Keep your training varied and progressive for the best results. That's how you keep all three muscle-building friends working for you. Let's bust some muscle myths. You don't have to lift super heavy weights to build muscle. Lighter weights for higher reps can be just as effective. HIIT, bodyweight circuits, and even Pilates can trigger muscle growth if you push yourself. The key is effort and intensity, not just the number on the dumbbell. Worried about getting bulky? Building huge muscle takes years of specific training and diet. Most people get leaner, stronger, and more toned. Lifting weights 2 or 3 times a week will help you look athletic, not bulky. Don't fear the weights area or think body weight isn't enough. Consistency and challenge matter most. The best workout is the one you enjoy and stick with. Find what you love, push yourself, and you'll see results. Here's a big myth. Muscle doesn't turn into fat if you stop working out. Muscle and fat are totally different tissues. You can't turn one into the other. If you stop training, your muscles shrink, atrophy, because they're not being challenged, and you might gain fat if you keep eating the same but move less. It's a change in body composition, not a transformation. The good news, muscle has memory. If you've built it before, it's easier to regain. Don't stress about taking breaks or holidays. Your muscles will bounce back when you return. Stay active, adjust your habits, and you'll keep your progress. Your body is smarter than you think. All right, let's take all this knowledge and put it into action. It's time to transform theory into practice and start seeing real results. Remember, building muscle is a journey, and every step you take, no matter how small, contributes to your overall success. First, and this is crucial, focus on progressive overload. Make your workouts a bit tougher each week. This doesn't mean you need to drastically increase the weight every single session, but consistently challenge your muscles. Track your exercises, weights, and reps meticulously, and aim to improve, even if it's just one more rep or a little more weight. Small increments add up over time, leading to significant gains. Don't underestimate the power of consistency in your progression. Fuel your body, eat enough protein. Protein is the building block of muscle, so it's essential to consume adequate amounts to support muscle repair and growth. Think chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, lentils, and healthy carbs. Don't shy away from carbohydrates. They provide the energy you need to power through your workouts and fuel muscle recovery. Oats, sweet potatoes, rice, to support muscle repair and energy. A well-balanced diet is the foundation of any successful muscle-building program. Recovery is key. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep. Sleep is when your body repairs and rebuilds muscle tissue, so prioritize getting enough rest each night. And plan rest days so your muscles can rebuild. Overtraining can hinder your progress and increase your risk of injury, so schedule regular rest days to allow your body to recover. Rest days can be active. Go for a walk, stretch, or foam roll. Active recovery can help improve blood flow and reduce muscle soreness, promoting faster recovery. Listen to your body. If you're sore or tired, take a break. Pushing yourself too hard when your body is fatigued can lead to injury and setbacks. Be patient. Muscle takes time to build, so celebrate small wins and focus on how much stronger you feel. It's a marathon, not a sprint, so enjoy the process and celebrate your progress along the way. Consistency beats perfection, just keep showing up. Even on days when you don't feel like it, make an effort to get to the gym and put in the work. Mix up your workouts to keep things fun and challenging. Variety prevents plateaus and keeps your muscles guessing, leading to continued growth. Enjoy the journey. Progress is about feeling better, not just looking different. Focus on the positive changes you're experiencing, both physically and mentally. Every workout counts, so be proud of your effort. Acknowledge your dedication and commitment to your fitness goals. Now you know how it works. Get out there and smash it. You've got this. Go get those gains.